All right, hey families, this is Coach Pickett, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use track wrestling. It's really going to be something that you're going to use the entire season just due to COVID restrictions. In the 2 or 3 events that we're doing this week, one of them's not even going to allow parents into the stands. Another place is going to not allow you to go from gym to gym. And so we want you to be able to use the platform and navigate it around and not feel so overwhelmed at the beginning of the season. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go to Track Wrestling first. I'm trying to use this emulator for the first time. So trackwrestling.com, and it's going to load up. And this is what's going to look like on the mobile site. I'm assuming most of us are going to use it this way. There's a couple different ways to like find tournaments that you're looking for. And I'm going to show you probably the easiest way to do that. If I click on events at the top left here, it's going to give me a list of events that are currently available. But what we want to do is narrow down the focus. And so if I click functions and I search for the events, this is going to allow me to, kind of really dive in. Like if I know the name of the event, so in this case, we have students that are going to be competing at the Wapsie Valley tournament. So if I type in Chris Davis, if you guys know the actual name of the tournament and you hit search, it's going to give you a bunch of different options. And we notice that the JV invite is the one that we're going to. So we'd actually click onto this tournament and go. If you don't know the name of the tournament, and some of them have different names, like the tournament that we're going to in Cedar Falls on Saturday is called the Keith Young. Like maybe you don't know what that tournament is, but the state it's being held in. It's in Iowa, and the city that's being held in. We'll do Cedar Falls. And I could put in start date, but let's go search and let's see what comes up. There's the Keith Young invite 2020. So that's another way for us to look at it. I think those are probably going to be the most successful ways to find things. The duels that the quad that we're gonna go to tomorrow night is in Charles City, and so that's not a super common city name. I'll type in Iowa, and we'll go search. We'll notice that we've got these two different things: our Charles City meets, and then also the Charles City quad, which will be where our boys are going to wrestle at. So I'm gonna search actually for the Keith Young invite. It's probably the one that I want to look at the most. So I go to Keith Young. I'll search for that, and then I'll click on the 2020 version. You could click on the later ones, and that might be something I do to show you guys a couple things really quick. But I will click on the 2020. There's options. You are not a statistician. Those are our managers. You don't work the tournament, and you're not running the tournament either. And so you're going to be a viewer. You'll hit enter event, and it'll take you to this web page. Most of them will look like this on the web. If you want to watch this live, you'll actually have to purchase, and I think that most tournaments are going to charge between $10 and $20 to actually watch it live, and that's seeing video. A lot of the bigger tournaments are going to have this. It just depends on the tournament. So if I click purchase, you'll have to go through that process and pay for the event, kind of like a pay-per-view. And then you can actually look at this, and that's your hub to watch videos from specific mats. Otherwise, if you're not going to be watching this live, you can be seeing live results as well, just in kind of a different way. And so there's no wrestling that's going on right now, so there's no dashboard. There would usually be some sort of a link on here that says dashboard. That would kind of show matches that are in progress, not the video of them, but just how the score is kind of going on. That's one way to actually watch wrestling, even if you're not there and maybe not watching video. If you want to check results that have occurred, you can click on brackets. And right now, there's no brackets that are defined because this tournament hasn't started yet. But that would kind of be the process here. I'm not sure how to go back on this. Maybe I'll click back this way. There we go. And I'll go back to last year's Keith Young invite so that way you guys can see kind of what a tournament looks like as it's being completed or what that looks like. So this has got archived video that I could look at, but I'll click on brackets, and I'll go to, let's go to 100 and let's go to 120. I'll hit view. And so it'll bring this up. This is the Brooks's bracket that he wrestled in last year, and Chase. And from here, maybe you weren't able to see the video live, but you can actually click on this little video icon, and the matches end up getting archived after they get completed, so that you can watch this after the fact of the tournament as well. You don't actually have to watch it live. Some of them don't have that. You could click on, like in Brooks's match, if I click on 13 there, this will actually bring up the match, and the match didn't have a lot of scoring on here. It just had a takedown, and then he pinned this kid. But if I go forward a little bit more, he just wrestled a lot. Let's look at Chase's match here and click on the 90 button right here when he wrestled the Westland kid from, I think that's North Scott. You'll actually get to see when the score occurred, right? And this is not video, but this is a way that you can look at results here. Other things that you can do within this deal is that you can go to um, with the results. You can click team scores if you want to. You can click team results, so you can do things that way. You can see Denver finished last year right behind Bosco. And so there's a lot of different ways that you can look at past results. Even as soon as the tournament's completed, you'll be able to check some of this stuff out. What I'm going to be doing is sending you guys some links that are going to directly get you to these places, but you can always go to Track Wrestling, and you can always browse, and you can find some specific tournaments, or you can search for different teams and seasons on here, and you can find the tournaments and the events that occur throughout the year. So hopefully this helps if you're new to Track Wrestling and you haven't done it before, and I hope we get better at it together.